How's it going, my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking part of the lockpicking casino. Now, if you don't know what the lockpicking casino is where you take 5 random locks, you roll the dice, and you hope for 6s, because if you don't get 6s, you get 1s. And what happens if you get 1s? That means you only get 1 minute to pick it instead of 6. So let's hope Lady Luck is on our side today, and let's get this episode started. Okay, my friends, the first lock we have on deck is this Euro profile that was given to me by Dusty and Wendy. You can see the keyway is not terrible, but I mean, it's not the most friendly right there. It's a half, well, it's a cut Euro, cut in half. We're not going to gut this, obviously. Let's see how much time we have, but first thing, let's get the music going. What does Lady Luck have for us today? 2 minutes. That is gonna be difficult. Alrighty, well, let's see what we can do. Let's put the time in the timer. Okay, 2 minutes. And I guess we should probably figure out what picks we're gonna use. Love that song. Comment down below if you know where that's from. You get extra kudos points. That should work. And then there's no key for this one, so. Well, let's see what we can do with 2 minutes on the clock. All right, timer come back up. Get these in hand. Come on. Come on. All right, ready, start, set, go. I just realized you guys can't see that. This is actually proving to be harder than I thought it was going to be. We're going to be 0 right off the bat. That's what's going to happen here? "58 seconds. I don't think we're going to make it, my friends. I don't even think I don't even know if I got into a false set, to be honest with you. Now keep in mind, all these locks were none of these locks were picked by me. These were picked by my son and my wife. So, yeah, we're not gonna make it. Wow, starting off terrible. Let's get this patch out of there. Disgusting. Whew. Well, hopefully the next one does better. So, next up on deck is this Lockwood 334B45. Which I think we might have a little bit better luck on, but let's see. What does Lady Luck have for us today? 4 minutes. I think we can do that. I think 4 minutes is a reasonable amount of time to pick this in hand. All right. Now, with that being said, let's do this. Maybe you guys can actually see the timer then. Let's move this up. Okay. So we want 50 thousandths for this. And I think our 18 thousandths, well, no, we'll use 25 thousandths. Hook one. All right. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. Take our time since we have time. Ah, we got it. So we're 1 for 1. I think it only took us 30 seconds. I should have paused it instead of canceled it. So we are 1 win, 1 fail. Alrighty, so next up on deck, my friends, is this 410 Loto. You can see it's got the 401B keyway. Here's our bidding for it. Oh, I didn't show you. Here's the bidding for the lock that we just picked too. So this one's a little bit easier of a bidding. This one, not so much, but let's see how much time we have to pick it. Alrighty. Survey says 3 minutes. Lotos and I don't get along very well. Let's see if I can get this open in 3 minutes. 40 thousandths is what I want. And then hook 7. All right, let's start. Oh, all set. What is holding me up? Dang it. Dang it. We're doing so good. Start over. I know it's gonna be a risky move, but I think like I said, Lotos and I typically, I just realized I was in front of the camera this whole time, or the timer. Lotos and I typically don't get along. It's probably why my wife picked it. Oh, come on. I'm at the end. Which one? Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, 30 seconds to spare. Heck yeah. Sweet. Alrighty. We are 2 for 1. Awesome. Alrighty. What do we have next on the deck? Is a little bit scary. We have Asa Twin 6K with gins. Now, it's not unreasonable to say that I might get this open because when I did my black belt pick, I got this open in like a minute 40. So if we get anything over 2 minutes or more, we potentially have a shot. But I haven't picked this since I've submitted my black belt. So, who knows? All right, music. I'm hoping for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Oh, no. That is possibly... I could have got any other roll, and it would have been feasible. 1 minute? I doubt it. But let's see. 1 minute on the clock. Man, that is like... that is some unlucky dice roll right there, I tell you that. I just can't believe that. All right, 50 thousandths, if I remember correctly. Yep, and then we want this sidebar hook. And I think I used this... Yeah, I think I used this for that. All right, here's the hoping. 1 minute starting now. Oh, might actually be into the sidebar. Sorry. I dropped everything. No, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I didn't think it was happening, guys. That would have been some epic stuff, but even I'm not that good. All right, 2 for 2. Can we make it a win? Get 3 and 2. Well, I think so, because my son must have loved me enough to give me a schleg. So let's see how much time we have to pick this. Oop. All right, let's see what the dice rolls. 4 minutes, respectable. That should be doable. End on a high note, as they say. So let's see. 40,000 should be okay. And we probably do 50,000 just to be safe. All right, we said 4 minutes on the clock. Start. All righty. Oh, Jesus. Don't do this to me. Oh, got it. There we go. We are 3 for 2. That was about 40 seconds. Alrighty, my friends, that is the lockpicking casino. It's actually pretty fun. I actually really enjoyed it. You guys should definitely try this out. Like I said, I had my wife and my son do it. You know, just pick 5 random locks. You know, it's not all about getting like the perfect lock or anything like that. Obviously, you know, with that twin 6K, that was unfortunate luck and circumstances. So, yeah. So go ahead and give it a try. It's like I said, it's really fun, and that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.